Hey, good day, Eric. I'm glad to be here.
Hi, bro. How are you doing?
Good, I'm good.
Yes.
I actually got several questions about your company and products today.
Sure. No problem.
Okay, so what are CPC's major strengths in the fastener industry?
Well, it's a good question. CPC is a fastener solution provider. We supply our customer one-stop shopping service. As you can see, we make and supply a lot of construction screws and customized items for our customers.
Oh, I see. What exactly do you mean by a one-stop shopping service?
Well, as you know, we have the sales team to hear customers' voice, and we have an engineering team to provide the technical support and design support. And surely, we have in-house production lines to be responsible of product realization. Then, the quality team for quality assurance, packaging team, and shipment planning.
I see. Is there a standout product you want to introduce as your main strength?
Sure. Okay. As you can see, we have bimetal screws and also cap screws.
I see.
They are very important to provide a high drilling efficiency and also the anti-rust performance.
I see. Thank you for the explanation.
No problem. My pleasure.
Best of luck with the exhibition.
Yeah. Thanks.